Open my eyes, I slept through the day. Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away. Push it away. Last night was fun, don't feel like today. Feel like today, let's do it again, let's go on a date. Cause tonight I'm gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about. So we can dine and spend up all on us. Let us forget that we broke.
I think a lot can be said for how I spent May 2024, but one of the words that come to mind for me is relief. Spending 3 years in a place that I absolutely hated, surrounded by people that I felt a very similar feeling for, drained me in a way that I cannot describe. So hearing that I'm going to be moving out of the country and I have an opportunity to take a month of vacation time, I felt a huge wave of relief. So me, being the Billy Bob big brain over here, I decided that I would spend the month making it a road trip. The goals of the trip were pretty simple. Get from Texas to Florida to Virginia, with a couple small checkpoints here and there. A short stop in Austin to visit my aunt, picking up my friend from the airport who flew down just to ride with me for the back half of the trip, and say goodbye to everybody that I know and love one last time. This is how it went. Oh yeah, and I didn't get any footage of the first 2 weeks of the trip, so my bad.
Uber for Rashad. Can I get your name?
Rashad?
Y'all ever fly to another state just to hit a vape? That's what I just did. Something.
So, brother.
Calling Nader home.
Hello? Hello?
Hey.
I got Matt in the car, so don't say all those bad things you said about Asians earlier.
Hey, I'm here.
Ah, Lord, Mateo, you so dumb. How far are you gonna try to drive?
Probably till 6 a.m.
Don't tell me that dumb shit.
Until I get tired. I only slept like 5 hours last night,
Yeah.
so...
Yeah, don't push it. Just do what you gotta do. Stop and get a hotel and then just leave early in the morning. But look, let me get out of the car. I'll call you in a little while, okay? Be careful, both of y'all.
Alright, I'm gonna hang up now so you can start saying the hateful things about Asians again.
If you want to, since we're gonna be inside. Oh my.
They hit the side.
God.
Good. Yeah! Money shot.
What are you?
What's so funny?
No, it's a camera.
You don't want to be
Why is there
recorded?
camera?
Huh?
Why is there camera?
Because we're vlogging.
No.
Hey. You drive.
Who am I talking with?
Josh,
Alright, what are we looking at today?
we're gonna look at the drift car.
Camera on the back. Camera on the back. Tail light. Broken tail light. Stocks. Little wobbly. Camera on the back.
Route 66.
Map 66. Drift wheel. Flat drift wheel. Okay, okay.
Wheel that exploded.
The explosive wheel.
Exploded wheel. One new headlight.
And then broken headlight. Camera on the back.
Oil. Eating like a bitch again. Port every 2 weeks.
God damn.
And you
God
can
damn it,
feel
Bobby.
What do you think?
Overheating.
How would you rate this car?
2 out of 10. For a trap car, it definitely gets a solid 10 out of 10, brother.
Agreed. Trap car, 10 out of 10. Real car, I'll give it a 5. Yeah.
5 is crazy.
I give it a 10.
5 is crazy.
Everything 10.
Camera on the back. So what I'm gonna do right here is I'm gonna approach Caitlin's legs, and we're gonna see how to respond to that in a street fight. I'm the test dummy, bro. As you can see, it restricts my airways. So that's just, it was crazy. No one else wants to get involved with this?
No, you're good. Have fun.
Okay. Wait, so I have to come to you from behind?
Yeah.
Bro, I feel like I will just deck her though, bro. Anyway. That is actually so insane, guys. Make sure to like and
What's up? I'm Joel.
I'm Matt.
Welcome to the Tub Podcast.
What could be the very last one in person, which would be also the third one like ever.
I always wanted to bring it back, but like realistically there was like no reason that two doodle fucks from fucking Virginia who never actually do the things that they're gonna do should do that. I don't really feel like it would have been satisfying content to make. I wouldn't be satisfied with it, and people wouldn't be satisfied watching it.
Oh yeah, I mean that's the thing with podcasts though. Like they only really ever like everyone tries to make a podcast, but you know who the fuck are you to
Like
have a voice? Why would we listen to you?
Why are they watching us? Because like realistically, the only people that really watched it were like our friends.
But look at us now. Here we are again.
Still not having a podcast.
It's kind of like we're just two content failures.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. What'd you think of the trip? The little Florida stop?
The drive was long. I drove from Port Charlotte, which is where I was staying, to Tampa to pick up Matt because he flew in. From there, we drove from Tampa to Orlando, where his mom lives at, and like we chilled out with her and his sister and his brother,
and we sparred.
Then we started driving around like 11, but I lasted until 4 a.m. and then I made it to a rest stop, slept, and then we woke up at 7:30 to my mom it was actually 7 flat, to my mom double calling me because I didn't text her that I was going to sleep at 4 a.m., which would have woken her up. I don't know about you, but I've been fucking tired.
I've been chilling, getting the last little taste of the United States before you're gone for a long time, huh?
Yeah, I don't really know how I feel, man. And I said this a lot in my last video, but it's
Are you like I feel like you're definitely heavily leaning more towards excited than anything else. Because like I'm sure you might be like anxious or like mainly just anxious, but like first of all, have you ever been away from this continent?
Yes.
When?
When I deployed.
Where'd you deploy to again?
I deployed to the Middle East. I'm definitely excited. I'm kind of tired of the States. It'd be nice to get a new perspective that I didn't have previously. You ever? So, what do you want to do? If you were to pursue content creation for a living, what do you feel like you feel most inclined to do?
I feel like maybe streaming would be the most fun, but the most satisfying if I succeeded would be music. Because I'd love to show my work off. I feel like, you know, streaming or any other type of like content creation, even if you do succeed, like if you're a YouTuber, I feel like, you know, introducing yourself and being like, hey, I'm a fucking YouTuber is kind of like insane.
But so is, hey, I'm a streamer. People watch me while I play games in the moment.
I know, but that's just like, you know, say you're like talking to a girl with a family that has like really, well, talking to a significant other that has like a family of, you know, very traditionally successful parents, you know, one's like a fucking surgeon, the other's like a lawyer or some shit. I don't want my daughter being with a little YouTuber.
A little YouTuber. But I mean, they could say the same thing for a streamer, because I mean, that is even more niche than YouTubing.
I mean, I'm just, you know, speaking traditionally, man. But you know, I know I shouldn't even care in the first place.
Aspect of like what you say to them matters too, because I mean, if you're a streamer, you could just say like, I'm a live performer.
I'm an online digital model.
Oh God.
But you know, if content creation didn't work out, I would probably be good at another fucking forklift job just to fucking get by in life. In the long run, the money would make me happy, but I wouldn't be happy outside of the money.
The most frustrating thing about you that pisses me off to my core is the fact that I know you and I know your humor and I know the way your mind works. It's always thinking in the eye of how can I make this a moment? How can I make this funny or whatever the fuck? Like, it pisses me off because you are the exact personality of what would succeed as a streamer or a YouTuber, and you just don't.
I appreciate that. We've had this talk before, but it's just the fucking road to get there, man. That's super discouraging. I feel like I have the mindset of like, if I had it, I would know how to maintain it, but I'm not willing to do any of the work to get there.
When you do something that, like, in our eyes is a great accomplishment, like when you did that CuteBot stream, and you got a bunch of followers and shit, even when you did that, you cut it. And you were like making money that we didn't think you could make from streaming, you know?
That would have been like such a great little side hustle to keep going on. I think I definitely let, you know, because alongside with this, I also have a crippling fucking like weakness to women, bro. I feel like I'm the most productive and start like snowballing a lot when I'm going through something, so I could start to feel better about myself. And then when I start to, oh my God, there's a bug. And then when I start to feel better about myself, guess what that attracts? I feel like getting into a good mindset makes you more confident, and confidence attracts people, and then people attracted to you make you lose your fucking, that grind set. At least that's how it is for me. Literally, literally, I feel like it's gonna be so great for you to be in Japan because I think you'll have a lot of fun.
Final leg of the trip. Ready to wrap up this last little bit?
Yeah, man.
All right, let's get going.
What?
Another day, another victory for the OGs. It's been beautiful.
Stay safe, brother.
That was awfully platonic. Is it because the camera's on?
You said we couldn't guess.
Thanks for joining. If you guys enjoyed this beautiful trip with Joel and I, please make sure to like and subscribe. Cut it. Dude, cut it.
Hey, hi, hello.
This is Cat.
Nothing crazy over here.
Do
were
the
you
same
doing?
exact dance. Do it in sync.
We haven't practiced any dance.
We have
Yeah. Yeah. Don't cut this.
What's this one again, though?
We're on fucking, what's it called? The Narrows. It doesn't say it up here, but this is the Narrows.
You said you're giving out free dinero?
Yeah.
Oh wait, actually I feel like we made that joke last time we were here too, right? I think it was me that made that joke.
See,
The
I was
funniest one.
ahead of everybody the whole entire time.
Oh, yeah.
Again.
I was being mysterious. Whoa. Am I crazy?
That's new.
Yeah, and also it's like for people with color blindness.
Hmm. What about general blindness? Cool.
Wait, don't do that again?
No, bro, you're about to edit some fucking weird.
No.
Here, take a look.
Look at you. This is scary.
Take a sip. $5, I'll take a sip. Hit 100 subscribers, I'll take a sip.
Oh, shit, I forgot my swim trunks.
That's fair.
What do you guys think at home?
Because there would have been signs or something, right?
Dude, I don't know. We're going down this trail, but it's not like marked or anything.
We
Cat
passed
says,
this tree like 6 times.
what the fuck? We
This leaf? She's worried about a fucking leaf. We're literally lost.
Cat's taking on this trail that we don't know where the fuck we are.
I know exactly where we are.
Where are we?
And like I said, we passed that tree 6 times
Due
now.
east.
Due east. How many knots?
My phone says we're facing southwest.
7 nautical.
You've never even flown on Southwest.
Oh!
Look at this
Oh,
chick.
that's actually pretty cool.
She's frolicking.
Tree is my friend. I know where we are.
I'm sure I'll be well acquainted with him the
That is
next
not
3
beholden to
times
your
we pass him.
knowledge. That is not beholden to your knowledge.
Okay.
Look at this. Look at this
Is
guy.
that your friend too?
Obviously.
What are you grabbing? You just hurt yourself?
No.
Cries.
I don't like that.
Wait, Matt, pick that one up. Pick that one up.
I'm pretty sure this is a dowsing rod, right?
Yeah.
So all I have to do is fucking close my eyes and let this shit fucking do its thing, right? And we'll know where to go.
Yep. It's like GPS.
I swear to God, if you guys are fucking lying to me, this shit doesn't work. So if we're here, right, the parking lot is here, and we need to get there.
Yep.
Oh my fucking God, dude, it's working. Oh my God, dude.
What the fuck?
It's almost there. Dude, yes.
Wait, so
That's it. That's the way.
So how do we get there?
So we have to start from here.
Wait.
Dude,
Follow me.
there's only one use on it. Dude, it's literally been like 2 hours.
Hold on, show your phone. What the time is?
It's 6:42 now. We got here at like 4-ish.
Dude.
Some shit like that. We're fucking lost, Cat.
I know exactly where I am.
That's the same fucking tree though. Wait, Joel, that's actually the same tree as earlier, right? No, jump cut to before. I'm not even kidding. That's the same fucking tree, right?
Yeah. You're lying.
I
know exactly.
watch the footage back.
I know exactly.
Watch it back. Cause we're actually fucking lost.
If you want to know where you are, follow me, bitch. Sorry, this is my throne. Can you?
I'm in the center of it though, so.
Anyways.
So we've decided to cut the dead weight. We're leaving Kat behind.
Yep.
She's playing with the tree.
Slow. Kat found her way back.
Hey, what's up?
Wow. How did she get back? She was like 3 miles behind us. So we have at least an hour left of sunlight.
For sure. No way we don't.
No way we don't what?
Not have sun.
Well, that's... Yeah.
That's how big my dick is.
Look at it, man.
Yep. It's my hidden talent.
Okay.
Did you come, babe?
Yeah, thanks.
Wow, this gate go crazy, bro. You're really stopping me.
I think it's to stop cyclists.
What could ever make you think that? Oh, there's a car. Dude, we're back. Let's go.
All because of me.
She had no fucking idea where we were.
I know exactly where I am.
Because the wind told her where.
And that's on Gemini.
God.
Bro, that would have been so fun. I think it's this way.
Surely it's this way.
Surely it's that way. 'Cause
Surely.
the signs. Let's see what that sign says. Yeah? I'll humor you until we get there.
Kat was wrong. You're right. We went the wrong way for like 10 fucking minutes. Now we had to turn around to get our car.
Well, another trail? Or what?
I think a lot can be said for how I spent May 2024, but the one word I can use to describe it is relief. Relief from the stress I faced at work, or issues with people close by me, worrying about what bills I need to pay on what day. I got a break. I was fortunate to have one last month of Elysium with my friends before I left the country. One last month before everything changed for the better or the worse. One of the most important days to me is my birthday. Growing up, I didn't have a bunch of friends. I kept to myself out of self-preservation. So my birthday is important to me because it's the one day a year that is dedicated solely to me. Today, I turned 23. For the first time in my life, I'm spending a birthday away from the people I love. Normally, I would fly home to visit somebody, but today, I don't have that luxury. When planning this video out, I wanted to make the ending very somber and honestly kind of depressing, but after getting through the edit and writing the script, I can't put this in any other way than this. I am sad that I had to buy my own birthday cake today, that I ate it alone, and now a full-size cake sits in my freezer with one piece cut out of it. But I've been in Japan for 3 months now, and I'm slowly making new friends, getting used to how things are here. I'd be remiss to say that I am not just as excited as I am sad. Excited because of the experiences that I'll get to have, excited to see the people I'll meet, and all in all, excited for what's to come next. So this is for what comes next.